Hey everyone, okay, I'm coming to you with a Dollar Tree haul. Guys, I'm tired. Don't mind me, I'm very tired. But I have a really big Dollar Tree haul, of mix of everything. It's not makeup this time, only makeup, but it's a mixture of everything. So if you enjoy this type of video, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and also you can comment whatever you like, and also like this video if you enjoy it. So I'm gonna just be grabbing things out from this bag. It's a humongous, big, giant bag of things that I just grabbed from Dollar Tree. You know, you can't go to Dollar Tree like $1, or even $5, because there's always something new. So, like, pretty much this whole bag was from today, and then 2 days ago I went to another Dollar Tree, and I also went to Five Below, guys. But I'm so excited to show you the Five Below items. So I'm going to show you that first, guys. I opened it because I really wanted to like feel it. What is this? This is the Wet n Wild. This is the Rebel Rose Brush Duo. So it comes with like this type of brush. You can use this, guys. Look at this thing. Look at this baby. Look how cute this is. This is like a black rose, of course. Look at that. It's so soft. It's already colored on top to make it look like kind of like blush already. This is really cute. This is really cute, and you can actually use this for foundation if you like a foundation brush, or even to pack on blush. I don't know what I'm going to use it for. Not for foundation, because I do have my favorite foundation brush. Probably for blush, just for like the cheeks, whenever I get to do a full face for outside. I don't know. And then they came with an eyeshadow brush as well. It looks just the same. Now this, I would like to, the only thing is about this, it feels so like sturdy, like you need to watch. It's very fragile. But this is really good for a blending brush. Really cute. It's soft, but it's more stiff. It's more stiff, so you can actually get in there. But guys, 2 of these for $5. There was only 2 left, and I grabbed one. And they also only had these separate for $5. So why not get both if you're into like eyeshadows? But guys, this is a really good steal. This is really, I'm telling you, Dollar Tree, Five Below is really stepping up their game. And I have a feeling, I don't know, it's like when it comes to the Wet n Wild products, that's all you see there. You see the new things, which is not new, because this is not new. This collection, I believe this was like a year ago or a year and a half ago. I believe this came out on like the month of October, if I'm not mistaken. But I'm not sure if it was 2020 or 2019 this came out. So I'm not sure, but guys, it doesn't matter. Look, I found the Bremen Rock palette there, and that wasn't out for a really long time, like years. So I'm telling you, go to your local Five Below. I love it. I'm so excited. So pretty much that was the only thing I got from Five Below. And I got like a little snack, because you know they have like a big snack collection. Sorry for my hair. My hair looks like a hot mess right now. So I went to a different Dollar Tree that's not near me, like close by to me. It's actually blocks away. And I found the Brillo brand there, which I was very shocked to find. This is the basic spray, like to stretch your clothing. So you can spray this first and then iron it or put it in the dryer. So this is really nice. I want to use that. I don't iron. I put it in the dryer and it would get unwrinkled, but I can spray some of that and then put in the dryer, and it should be wrinkle free. And then this is the basic foaming glass cleaner from Brillo as well. I've tried this. This actually works. This is really nice. Of course, this is not the big name brand that everyone else is. What is it? what's the name that everyone uses? Windex. Windex. That's not no Windex, but it does what it does. You know, it's alright. And then I got the furniture polish Brillo as well. This is cute. Looks like an air freshener. You spray it and then you just, you know, polish. And this is a citrus scent. This glass cleaner, it smells like nothing. And then also this as well. I guess it smells like nothing. Then I went to my local Dollar Tree and then I found these good goodies. I am so excited. So I got this little head massager thing that I'm going to put in my sister's gift basket. Well, yeah, her little gift basket I'm doing for her because it's her birthday next month. So I got her a little something. I'm doing like a little basket for her of a little bit of everything from Five Below, Marshall, Burlington, like those little things, like things that I know she would use and want for herself. So I'm excited. So I'm now Dollar Tree by me. I found these Broadway colors lippies. They only had 2. So this is more of a pinky. Yes, pink drop. And this is more of, it's Woodberry. This is more like a burgundy brown shade. This is really cute. Let me open the one to swatch it for you guys. You know me, I love my lip pencils. I love my lippies. I do. Especially Isabel. She loves to take my stuff. Oh, this is really cute. It's really well packaged. I like that. So guys, this is going to be a long video. So if I was you, grab a snack. I was like, you know what? Let me do a video. I normally don't do a video of things that I normally get at Dollar Tree, like snacks and stuff like that. I normally do, you know, makeup videos. But I actually enjoy watching these type of videos on YouTube. I really do, because I can kind of guess, like, oh, they got that, soon we're going to get it as well. You know? Oh, my God. He's not opening. You gotta be kidding. Let's go. I'm going there. OM. I need something. Give me a pen. Ow! I just stabbed myself. What is going on? Like, this is, I appreciate this, but I can't even open it. Okay. This is really nice. I don't want to put it on my lip. Oh my God, this is, what does this feel like? Like a clay type. Once you put it on, it's like, it's matte. So it's gonna stay there, but it feels like a clay once you swipe it on. It feels nice. It's really thick. That's cool. I'll probably put a little and then put lip gloss because you know me. So I'm not gonna open this one just yet. Now I did find, I've been seeing these for a while and I'm like, oh, I'm not gonna grab it. This is the Wet n Wild color icon. These are really cute. I had this one before and I also had the one with the blue, like it was like a baby blue. So I got these 2. These are great. These colors, these are really very pigmented and they blend easily, and it's so cute for someone who is starting out in the makeup world. It will tell you where this goes. So up here it has brow bone, it has crease, and then eyelid. So it will tell you, you put this in your crease, a darker color, then you put this on your lid, and then you put this right underneath your brow bone. So this is really cute. This is really nice for a gift. Okay, so I know I have more makeup in this bag, but I'm gonna just start. So my nephews are coming this weekend. Well, they're coming today. They're gonna spend the weekend with us. So I got some snacks, some goodies from there. And of course, I'm gonna take them to Five Below's. Hopefully, I don't find no other good makeup there or any good goodies, because I will definitely grab and show you guys. So I got these little cheese doodles. for the kids. These are really, really good. If you go to the supermarket, you'll see them for like what? Like $2 something. I'm not spending that much for that. So I got the Mrs. Friendly honey buns. Now Mrs. Friendly, they're actually a name brand. You can find these at the store. For this at the store for just one, for like $1 something. So for you to find them in a pack, and this is not the only things that they have a lot of other stuff. So I got the honey buns, and I got the buddy bars. These are like similar to the nutty bars. They taste just as good. Of course the nutty bars taste way better, but this is really, really good. And I've noticed with this brand, especially from Dollar Tree, their cookies and snacks are not that sweet. You know, it's not. So for someone who can have a lot of sugar, this is a good place to go to get your sweets from. So I also got the mini donuts. These are really, really good, actually. Really good. So I got those. Let me see what I got. I'm trying to let me put these on the floor. And then I also got 2 of these Oreos because they love Oreos, the kids. So they come 4 pack with 2 cookies in. These are really good. Take on the go. I just grabbed it because Isabel don't really eat Oreos like that. So why should I get a big pack if it's just going to be for that day, for 2 days, you know? And then I also got these dry erase boards because I'm going to do a little something with the kids, which I will definitely vlog for you guys. I will record for you guys. Who knows me best? So I will make a list of questions with the answers to myself, and then I will ask them. They're young. My nephews are not with me 24/7, so they're not going to know a lot of stuff. So I will ask basic questions that it's not really, I have to think like, oh my God, you know. I'm not going to ask them how much I weigh or anything like that. I will ask them how old I am because I'm very curious to see how old they think I am. It'll be crazy. They say, oh, you're like 30. Not 30, like 35 or 40. No. So I definitely want to do this for the kids to play around. It's going to be really, really, really fun. And then also my mom should pick out some of this. These are some vegetables, the winter blend that it comes with cauliflower and broccoli. These are good. These are really, really good. $1. Not bad at all. If you go to a supermarket and you get anything frozen, you know you're spending like $4, $5, $6 on something like this. Let's be real. So they only have this. They go quick. Also too, if you like the peppers and onions, like chopped up and frozen, they have them as well. They're great. Really, you can tell the difference. You can taste the difference when you're making something. You use the frozen peppers than actually cutting up real slice like fresh peppers. You can tell the difference. For some reason with the frozen kind, I can taste the flavors more. So I also got some puzzles so we can do. The last time when they came, they were playing with a puzzle that Isabel had. So this is 100 puzzles from Frozen, which is really, really cute. It will be like this. And then Ryan, Isabel loves Ryan. My nephew loves Ryan. So it will be just like this. So I picked those 2 up. And then I went to the Easter side because I was just curious. And I saw this snack mix with little pretzels and little eggs and little chickens. This looks really, really, you know what? I'm hungry. I want something to snack on. This look, ooh, look at that. This peanut butter, like Reese's Buttercup. Oh my. I love stuff like that. I want a pretzel and some. That's good. But in the freezer, it'll be better. Or in the refrigerator, doesn't matter. So I also got some tissue here, but I got it from somewhere else. And then we got these sour apple but they're called pops. Little light pops. 3, not bad. You know, when you go to like carnivals or you go to Chuck E. Cheese, they normally have this big giant thing and they want like an arm and a leg for it. Yeah, right. Go to Dollar Tree. And then, since I'm doing like I told you, a basket for my sister, I'm trying to think out the box. What is something I would like if someone was to give to me a basket? What little things? I'm not getting things for the house, like pans or nothing like that. It's for herself. So I saw this pink salt. This is a bath salt. I don't know, this is a name brand or not, but look how cute this packaging is. This is the first time I've seen something like this. This is really, really, really nice. So you just add it to your tub. That's it. As much as you want. Does it have like a scent to it? But this, I normally don't use stuff like that. I don't take even a bath. I'm a shower girl. And then today, oh my god, my throat is itchy with that. I saw the LA Color glow sticks. Now, you know me, I'm not into creamy blushes or stuff like that. Even highlighters, and I got rid of a lot of my highlighters that are creamy. But when I saw this, I was like, oh, let's get a shot. So here it goes. It came with 2 shades each. They had the glow stick and they only had blushes, and there were 2 shades each. But of course I took the lightest one for each because they had dark ones. So this one right here, where's the name of it? This is Poppin'. This and it says new. So I don't know. This is cute. Look at this. Let's put a little bit. Got like a little shimmer to it. I don't know if you can. Oh, yep, you can see it. So imagine you putting some of this and then putting like a powder on top of it. It'll look nice. Even this alone looks nice. That's like more of a natural look. It's not booming your face. And then this is called Flushed. This is a blush. I was gonna grab the darker shade because I'm like, oh, I can pull that off. It's not that dark, but I don't like dark colors, like especially on the face, like blushes, stuff like that, except the contour. That I don't mind. This is more of a pinky peach. You know, you put some on your hand, you dab it with your sponge, and you're good to go. But yeah, that's pretty much the only makeup that I got with it. That's pretty much it. Now guys, I'm always going to Dollar Tree. Always going to Dollar Tree and grabbing a lot of stuff here and there, and I never record it. So if you enjoy this type of videos that you want to see everything I got, sometimes I'm curious. I'm very curious on what people buy from Dollar Tree. You know, like what type of things they, because that's how, I don't know, that's how I am. You know, like when you go to a supermarket and you see people with like tons of groceries and you just look at their stuff just to like wonder, like they like that? That looks good. I should get that too. Maybe that's good if they're getting it. That's me. But yeah, guys, if you enjoyed this type of videos, let me know down below, or you prefer just strictly makeup beauty items. That's about it. I didn't find that much beauty stuff. This is from 2 stores of the makeup that you saw right here. And then a whole bunch of snacks. And pretty much that's it, guys. I'm looking around to see if I have anything else, but I don't. But yeah, guys, that's about it. Like I said, if you enjoy it, let me know down below. Or if you just want strictly makeup, let me know. So I'm gonna go and put all this stuff away before these kids come. Bye, guys.